In this tutorial we're going to talk about how to open up different part files in SURFCAM, that is CAD models. Simply move up to the upper left hand corner of SURFCAM and either click on the Open folder or click on File and Open. If we look at our directory here, the first thing I'm going to see is the SURFCAM files SCPRT. This is the native SURFCAM format. I'm going to look in the Samples folder by double-clicking on it, and you can see a lot of green icons here. I'm going to open up 2D Cover. To do that, I simply click on the name of the file I want to open and click Open, or just double-click on the file name. And there it is. If you want to open up other types of files, that's possible as well. We're going to click on the Open folder, and I'm going to move up a level. I'm going to look in a folder called Part Files. We don't see any files here, and that is because down here at Files of Type we're looking for SCPRT files. If I want to look for a particular type of file, I can click on this arrow and move down the list to the type of file I want to open. Or if I want to see all the files in the folder, just move down to the bottom of the list, click All Files, and the files will be visible. As you can see, we have a SAT file, a DWG, an IJUST, and a SolidWorks part, SLDPRT. If I'd like to open up the SolidWorks part, I click on it twice, and the translation begins. I can click the Shade button up at the top and rotate, and there's our part. If I want to open up a DWG, click Open again, double click on gasket.dwg, discard changes for the previously opened file. This question is asking if we want to open it up as a 2D drawing or a 3D drawing. In either case it will work. 3D drawing would be available if you had a 3D wireframe model. In this case I know it's a flat 2D part, so I'm going to say yes. And there it is. There are other types of files we can open as well. I'm going to open up an IJUST. Click on IJUST. Click Open. Discard changes. In this case, with the IJUST, we've got a bunch of different elements we can bring in if they're available in the IJUST file. I'm going to accept all of them. Accept. And click Close. Shade the part, rotate, and there's our phone model. If I click Open again, I'd like to point out one more thing. Down at the bottom here, when I click on Files of Type, the last 5 examples here, CATIA 4, CATIA 5, Pro-E, STEP, Unigraphics, and Inventor all have an asterisk next to them. That asterisk means that they are optional translators and available through Surfware.